Happy 9-week birthday, Elise. Look how big you are. You have your little mittens on because it's cold. And you're no sleeper. Hi. You just staring into the camera? Are you going to stretch? You were just stretching and smiling. I'm going to smile for Mommy. Hi. Hi, honey. You just don't know because you're just waking up, huh? You're looking at your friend, the chandelier. And you're so serious. Are you gonna smile for us? Because you smile all the time. You were smiling at Daddy last night. There's a big smile. There's a little frown. There's a little smile. Okay, maybe we do another one later. Look how big you are. Look how big you are. You're such a big baby. You're such a big girl. Hi. You're very happy, except for last night. You even pushed it farther. It was 3 o'clock before you even started sleeping. And then you still didn't stay asleep after that. Now it's noon, so you decide to sleep your nighttime sleep in the morning. We gotta fix that, don't we? Yeah, it's hard for Mommy and Daddy. Okay, we'll see everybody next week. Bye. Bless you. Bless you, honey.